Wake up in the morning, hit my knees and I pray. Wake up in the morning, hit my knees shit. And I pray. Wake up in the morning, hit my shit. And I pray. Mic check, mic check. What's up? What's up, Pickle? My first time seeing you in this, huh? What's up, Pickle? Let me know if the little instrumental too loud or whatever. Let's go. What's good, Chris? Good morning, good morning. Nah, you good, bro? Bet. Got some gold sales coming up here. Didn't quite get executed yet, but I am liking these gold sales coming up here. Make sure everything's straight. On my camera there, bro. Hold on. Wake up in the morning, hit my knees and I pray. Oh shit. Move my shit back a little bit. Alright, but can you see my chart? Turn this EMA off. What's good, KB? So I got a sell stop here, didn't get executed yet. We finally made a way. Hey. All right, let's do a quick little gold recap. Go recap. So starting off on gold, we had some sales here last week, which was very nice. So I'm still looking to catch sales in the same area. What is that on there? So off on the daily time frame, look on the daily time frame, we're overall in bear structure. As you can see here, price was making lower lows and lower highs. This is where we was going bearish at. We had this shift in structure here, going bullish. And then we had that shift in structure. You see this bullish price action, higher high and higher low, equal highs. This push down, gave us this bearish structure shift on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame letting me know I should be looking for sales. Now I'm going to look at this daily structure. This is the push that created that bearish market structure shift. So we should be looking for sales according to the daily time frame, as long as we stay below this daily higher high. Higher low. Lower high. There we go. Look on the 4 hour time frame. Look on the 4 hour time frame. Same exact thing. We were bullish here, creating higher highs and higher lows. This push up made a new high, which created this low. So if price was to break below this low, this will be a shift in direction. As you can see, price broke below, started to bear. Our sellers started to gain control. Once our sellers got in control, we want to look at the bear structure. We have lower lows and lower highs here. Simple. All right, now you might be thinking that this is a lower high that got broken because we made a new higher high. That's false. This is not considered a lower high because this push down did not take our previous lows. So technically, anything in between this lower high and this lower low, anything in between these two price points is considered discount. Not discount, premium. It's bearish market, so it will be considered premium, right? As long as we stay below this level, we are still bearish. As long as we stay above this area, anything in here is potential lower high area, right? So this is not a lower high because we never broke this low. This is not a lower high because we never broke this low. This is not a lower high because the reaction off of this level never broke this low. So technically, we are still bearish on a 4-hour time frame. This is my most recent lower high because this push actually did break a low, which was this low here. Technically, we are still bearish on a 4-hour time frame. Then let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, now you see we were bullish when we have structure. So 1-hour time frame, we have higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we have this push that gave us a shift in direction, showing us that sellers are in control below this area. Then, as you can see, this was our new push that created that sellers in control, and this got taken out, meaning buyers regain control. Once buyers regain control, this is our structure, higher highs and higher lows here. Then had this higher low, this higher high, right? Then we have this push here, where our sellers regain control. Looking at the seller structure, lower low, lower high, lower low. Buyers regain control. All this is all happening inside this consolidation area. Now looking at the buying structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This push down. Sorry about that. Sellers regain control here, and just keep going, following price action. Boom, boom. We never rebroke this low, so this is our most recent lower high. And then this got taken out. Buyers are in control. So buyers are in control here. We have this structure here. Right, so technically my sell stop is counter trend to the 1-hour, but it is pro trend to the 4-hour and the daily level. So it is a little bit riskier, just for the simple fact that the 1-hour is technically still bullish. I'm selling a bullish market. But as you can see, this is a strong level of resistance in this case. We have big rejections here, big rejections here, big rejections here. And just let me know that this is a strong level. We've been ranging in this area for a while. So I'm thinking price is going to trade back to the bottom of this range. That's a part of the trade idea. If you drop down to the lower time frames, like the 50-minute time frame, we can even go lower than 50-minute, but for this case we're gonna go 15-minute. Actually, we're gonna go 5-minute. Looking on the 5-minute time frame, we have these consolidation here. Then we have lower low, lower high, lower low. This was a bullish shift in direction, bullish market structure shift, right? That bullish market structure shift created this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, so on and so forth. Boom, equal highs, triple top, boom. So if this let me know that this is my most recent higher low right down here, sitting below this range overall. If price was to break below this range, this would be the 5-minute shifting from going bullish here to going bearish below here. So this is the reason why I want to sell. It would be 5-minute shifting bearish, and the confluence with the 4-hour being bearish, the daily being bearish as well. Just still counter trend to the 1-hour time frame, but we could use this 1-hour market structure shift as a potential TP1, and well, yeah, potential TP. And if we could break below this level, we could look to scaling, adding more size in our position below this level, because then this will be my A+ setup. Below this level will be my A+ setup. This is getting early on the 1-hour reversal to go and confluence the overall 4-hour and daily being bearish. So that's the trade idea. Hopefully all of that made sense and I didn't just speed run it too fast. But if price decides to just rip up here and doesn't execute me on my trade, I'm perfectly fine with that, and we be no trading on gold if that doesn't happen. Let's delete all of this now. Clean my chart up a little bit. I don't like too much shit on my chart, to be honest. But if price doesn't execute me in, that is perfectly fine. I'm fine with that. Looking at GJ, we're technically bullish on the daily and the 4-hour time frame, being above this level. Let's go back and look at the 4-hour again. Yeah, so do we ever re-break this high? We'll create equal highs. Technically, this is our higher low. So the 4-hour is bullish above this level. We could change this text. This is daily. So below this level, we have a 4-hour going bearish. The 1-hour was bullish here. Now we just have the 1-hour shift in direction. As you can see, this 1-hour structure here, where we had this bullish market structure shift, we have higher highs and higher lows forming. This is my most recent higher low. This higher low got taken out right here, just push down, giving us that bearish structure shift. So the 1 hour is technically now bearish below. You could either use this level or this one, but both of them got taken out anyway, so it don't even matter. This was the start of the push that created that structure shift. So this is my most recent level on the 1 hour time frame. So as long as we stay below here, we should be looking for sales. The 4 hour is still bullish. The daily is still bullish, but if you look on the 4 hour time frame now, the 4 hour candle is still open, has no top wick, and is rejecting this area. So if price closes below here and then give us a break and retest, I'll look to take these sales. Yeah, because it will still be counter trend to the daily, but I'll have the 4 hour, 1 hour, and the lower time frames in my favor. But it'll be still counter trend to the daily. But if you look at the daily overall, that's weekly, not that time frame. Look at the daily overall. The daily is in a pullback phase. This might even be considered a daily level, because if you look higher high, higher low, if we're just using the bodies of the candle, this will be considered a higher high. This will be considered a higher low. This will be considered a higher high. So this will be a daily shift as well if you're just using the bodies and not the wicks. So it's really situational here. If I look at my EMA, we are definitely coming down to resist the EMA. So technically we are still bullish. We're still above the 50 EMA as well. But we could have a daily shift in structure here if we could break and retest this area. But nevertheless, it's still technically counter trend to the daily. We got a 30-minute closure below this level. The only thing I'm worried about is the fact that this 4 hour has no bottom wick, no top wick here. That is the only thing, no top wick here. So I'm thinking price is going to come up at some point in time to actually make a wick here, because there's no top wick here. But if you look at the daily time frame, does our daily have a wick? Let's see. So our daily does have a wick. Just don't have a wick on the 4 hour. The 30-minute did close below though, and the next 30-minute candle is retesting. Let's look at the structure on this retest. 5-minute time frame doesn't have any structure yet. Let's look at the 1 minute. 1 minute has no structure yet either. So to avoid fake outs, you gotta make sure you did retest actually have structure. So if you retest with no structure, it's probably going to be a fake out. So because there's no structure here, I'm not looking to take anything. I need to see structure first. And gold is re-breaking highs without taking out this low, so I'm going to delete this sell stop. Just wait for something else. Let me delete it on my trade locker. Order cancel. Okay, bad. Look at GU. No, I like this breakout on GU. Look at the daily time frame. Do a quick little GU breakdown. Daily time frame is overall bearish. As you can see, we went bullish here. Had a market structure shift, going bearish. Now we have clear lower lows and lower highs. Look on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, let's turn the EMA off. Yeah, cat consolidation here. Break market structure shift. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Technically still bearish. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. Look on the 1 hour time frame. We have relatively equal lows here. We can go higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Shift in direction. Break retest over here for the sales to play out. The sales are definitely in control. And if you look on the push on this, we have structure here. Then we have a market structure shift here going bearish, which created the overall move. Now you see this fib level give us a fib rejection off of this 50% retracement. Now we are coming down back below the fib for a new break and retest. So 1 hour is bearish, 4 hours is bearish, daily is bearish. So I definitely like sells here. The only thing is that this range is kind of tight because we are having another low right here. That's the reason why this is dotted. But I do like sells in this area. I like sells in this area even more. I like GJ better than I like GU. So we're going to put GD at the top. Gold will be my number 2, just because we're not pushing down and we're starting to push up, making new highs. Definitely confirming this to be a strong level of support though. We just need to we need this level to get broken though. Below structure is smart money, right? What do you mean by that? Below structure is liquidity, if that's what you're asking. Because people that bought here, that means they have stop losses sitting below, meaning it's money sitting below or liquidity sitting below. Same thing here. These are liquidities that's eventually going to get taken out. Just like here was liquidity sitting above, liquidity sitting above, liquidity sitting above, liquidity sitting above. This push up is taking out all of this liquidity. This push up that's taking out all of this liquidity to the downside. Now we have liquidity to the upside. Well, to the upside here. Now liquidity to the downside. Liquidity sitting here. Liquidity sitting here. Liquidity sitting here. Liquidity sitting here. That all got to get taken out eventually as well. If that what you meant by smart money, then yeah. When it goes just below the support and then comes right back up, like the fake smart money sweeping the stops. That's yeah, exactly. A little hard to see the trade you are in with the live self in front of the text. Wait, what you mean? What live stuff in front of the text? I'm not in a trade. If that's what you was asking. Why do I hear fucking water running in my house? Can you move the live photo of you? Oh, move it down? Okay, I got you. I'm gonna put it at the top right. That's where my watch list is. Alright. I got you. But buys above this level could play out, but the reason why I don't want to take it is because it's risky. Just because it's still counter-trend to the 4 hour and the daily structure. The 4 hour and daily structure is technically still bearish, so I don't really want to buy here. If I buy, it gotta be based off a 4 hour shift in direction. But we'll be pro-trend to the 1 hour. But for me to take this, like this is definitely counter-trend. So I'd rather take it above here. But I could see this playing out though. It's literally have clean candles to the left hand side to fill in the range. It could play out. I do see it playing out, but just a little less probable in my opinion. Let's see, what do we have over here? So you wait for the retest and then you jump in on trade? Yes, most of the time. Sometimes I might take a breakout based off a closure, but most of the time I wait for a retest. Just depending on how my week going and like what time of the day it is. If it's like deep inside session, meaning the retest probably won't happen, or retest will take too long to happen, then I'll just get in on a breakout. But so if it's early in session like now, I'll wait for a retest. But if we come in across like 5 a.m. coming into New York, I'll just get on a breakout. Because at that time, there's not too much volume left. You know, you got New York volume to trade, but at the same time, I'm in longer trades. So the amount of time it take to do the retest, by the time the retest done, it'll probably be in New York if it was to do a retest. So depending on what time of the day is, if I just take the breakout or not. I need a haircut, bro. My barber when we going on vacation and shit. He trolling. When I say getting in on a breakout, I mean breakout with closure, not just random breakout. The breakout has to have closure. Hold on. Hold on, I'll be right back, chat. I'll be right back. Yeah, hey, how was everybody New Year though? How was everybody New Year's? What do you mean by closure? You mean that the candle closes? Yeah, that the candle just need to close. If it's the wick is still active, above like below the level, but it's still wicking, then I won't enter. I gotta wait for that candle to close. The main thing to know about candlesticks is closures are confirmations, wicks are rejections. So in order to confirm that a level is broken, it has to close below or above. If it's wicking, then it's definitely considered a rejection until it closes. It's a little cold in this bitch. I ain't gonna cap though. I need to turn the heat up, motherfucker. I'm ready for the summertime already. I ain't going. Damn, excuse me. That was a grown man bird. But I'm ready for the summertime already, bro. Y'all learned that the hard way. Jumped into a trade while the candle was still forming and it got faked out. Yeah, so to avoid fake outs, just gotta wait for closures. Closures and retests could avoid fake outs, but definitely at least a closure. If you're not waiting for a retest, you at least need a closure. Okay, I don't like the 5 minute no more. It look a little bit too choppy. 15 minute looks choppy as well. Overall, just looks choppy. I think if I want to trade this I want to take a break out here. I would need a break and retest here, just because of how choppy it is. This is technically considered a consolidation, so I need a break and retest. Let's delete this level and make it a little bit cleaner though. We can use these wicks up here, like this. I won't take a break out here anymore, just because of how choppy it is on these time frames. I need a break and retest here. That'll be a little bit higher. That'll increase my probability. But I like GU more than gold, to be honest. We got 4 minutes left in this hourly close. Let's look how we're closing. We're definitely going to close below 3 minutes left. Yeah. This previous 15-minute did reject. Let's look at the structure. Like, we have no structure though, bro. Holy shit. We had structure. This would have been so clean. Actually, we do. I missed it. We do have structure, bro. What am I talking about? The structure is this bearish structure here, lower lows, lower highs in a 1 minute time frame. This shift in direction. Show me, but buyers was in control when we had this shifting, lower low, lower high. This was the shift. Now we have higher high, higher low, higher high. This new shift should have been my entry right here. Based off of this candlestick was entry, stop loss above the high. We can do a tight stop loss for 7 pips, but I probably wouldn't do that, to be honest, because that 7 pips is too tight for me. I would have did it above this high up here instead. and it would have been about 15 pips. Would have been cool. Then we look at the target at the bottom of the range. This was the trade. I just fucking missed it. I should have checked the 1 minute. I didn't check it. If I'd have checked the 1 minute, I would have been in this. That's why I said sometimes I wait for a 1 minute market structure shift. Sometimes I wait for a 5 minute market structure shift. It's really situational. This would have been a situation where I used the 1 minute here, because the 5 minute has no structure. So this would have definitely been a 1 minute. Had to be a 1 minute play. And then we could have just used this low here as a TP1, or not TP1, just trail stop loss. At least go from stop loss back to the 1 minute time frame. If we break this level, I will go for my stop loss from here. I wouldn't go break even, but this will be breaking this low, confirming this to be a lower high. Then I could trail stop loss here, then hold the rest. Damn, it's cool though. No FOMO. Not gonna just panic sell right now. Still gonna wait for this hourly closure, then the retest again if we get another retest. But technically, this is the retest right here. Technically, I'm in GU at 25031, 250 higher 31 up here. Yeah, so you got in at this breakout. Yeah, this is nice. This was nice. Around here, a little bit lower. I think it should continue down, to be honest. So this hourly, how much time left is 4 hour candle? I think it might be one more hour. Yeah, 1 more hour in the 4 hour candle. So this 4 hour candle closes at 5 a.m. But I don't like sells here just because there's no top wick, bro. There's no top wick here. It's pissing me off. If it would have left a wick here, then I would have been more susceptible to taking a trade. Whenever candlesticks don't leave a wick, price likes to come up at some point in time to actually make that wick and then continue down. I don't want to me to enter a sell right here on this break and retest, then price come up to stop me out to make that wick here, then go. I'm just gonna avoid this all the way, just by not looking at it. Put it at the bottom. I haven't did a UJ breakdown or a AU breakdown yet, right? So we're gonna do those. So looking here, we're technically bullish. Bullish above this here. Bars above. This was a push that took out this high. Look on the 4 hour time frame. Looking on our 4 hour, we are bullish as well. Bullish this area. This is my most recent higher low. 4 hour buys. 1 hour time frame, we went bearish here, low, high, bullish here, like high, low, high, bearish again, bearish below this level. 1 hour sales. This was your entry on. This was your entry you sent in the Discord too, right? Below this level, this was nice. The 1 hour shift from going bullish to going bearish here. Boom. This was clean. But where could I sell? This is the overall top. We have a. I don't even like that. I like this level better. This was just a fake out. Actually, I'm gonna use this whole fucking level. To be honest, I'm gonna use the whole thing. Fuck it. Now we're looking like we're coming down into this area. Support. It's too late for me to sell now. The move already started. We already had a shift in direction. One hour is technically already bearish, creating these lower lows and highs. But I wouldn't use my 1 hour structure. In this case, I would use like a 50 minute structure. This would be the 50 minute lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Just that, only because the 1 hour doesn't have any significant size pullback. How long is your live trades? Shit, I don't know till I feel like I don't got it's no setup that's clean enough to take. Then I'll get off. But I will stay here as long as I know that there's potential setup pretty soon. If I feel like it's taking too long, I'll get off. So normally I probably end around 5:30 ish. Can I execute in this range? Technically, this is my most recent higher low in 1 hour time frame. After we took this one out, then we have this one sitting right here. Let's do wick to body. Extend this left, and if this is a valid mid level, okay, we have rejections here as well. Rejections here, rejections here, rejections here. This is a nice mid level. Could sell below here, but let's look more left. Okay, we had a nice rejection here as well. Look more left, look more left. Okay, that's too far. Fuck it. Take this thing left off. Just want to capture this area here. But then again, we have massive rejections here. So these are more rejections. But this is a part of the retest. So let's see if this retest has structure. We went lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is where we went bullish. Higher high. If price breaks this higher high, then we have this shift here for me to get in. Then I could do stop loss above the high for about 40% stop loss. Target a low. This is only a 1-to-1. But if we close below this 4-hour low, that means the 4-hour will be flipping bearish as well. With the 1 hour flipping bearish. Daily was overall, I forgot what I said. Daily was overall bullish. So this would be counter. This sell would be too risky. Just because it's still counter trend to the 4-hour and the daily. The 1 hour is pro sales. It's counter trend to the 4-hour and the daily. So I don't want to trade in this range at all. Let's delete that off the screen. And we just simply wait for this 4-hour shift direction. Then we have clean candles to the left hand side to fill in, to trade and tap into this level. And then below this level, we have this level to target. So yeah, this is more higher probability down here rather than trading this. I'd rather take that instead. Let's look at AU. Didn't do AU yet. AU just been a fucking falling knife, bro. I literally got AU sales all the way up here a long time ago, bro. If I'd have been holding this long ass runner, it would have been nice. So yeah, low, 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 high, low, low. Daily bears below this low. Daily sales. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Same low, 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 high, low, low. So 4-hour sales below this lower high. Down to the 1 hour. Good on the 1 hour. We have a structure shift here going bullish. Higher high. High low, higher high, high low, higher high. This shift bearish, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Lower low. This was the start of the push that took out this low. So you can mark this off as well. 1 hour sell. So I need everything is bearish here. In order for me to sell, I need a free break of this low. Then a retest. To sell. Anything selling up here is risky because this is just pure fucking consolidation. No point in me taking anything up here. This is literally the worst. I do not want to trade AU at all, to be honest. Look at this. This area got faked out too many times. It's still an area, but it did get faked out too many times. This area got faked out as well. Just want to adjust this to where we can capture these rejections here. But overall, too many fake outs here, to be honest. But we are definitely overall bearish. But in order for me to sell, I need to re-break this. Bro, what the fuck? This pissing me off. This was so fucking clean, bro. So clean. So clean. Shout out to KB for getting in on the sell, bro. So clean, though, bro. So clean. 1 to 2. Easy. 1 to 2. appreciate learning from you. Hey, look, bro, we learn from each other. When I live treat and I'm talking about my setups and all that stuff, that's reiterating it for me. So it makes it even more fresh in my mind every time I gotta say it over and over and over again. Feel me? And I can't tell y'all to be disciplined if I'm not showcasing discipline myself. So that'd be hypocritical. You know what I'm saying? So we learn from each other, bro. And me being disciplined right now is watching this bitch go without me. Okay. No cap. %. That's why I'm watch your vids. Hell yeah, bro. I gotta make a new Instagram reel. I'm gonna do that today and post it today. Gotta do a reel for support and resistance. I did a reel for candlesticks. I did the reel for market structure. Then gotta go over support and resistance. So I gotta do that today. I'm gonna do that right after I get up this live, to be honest. Gold just made a new high, breaking this previous high here. Also breaking this previous high, confirms this higher low. Just setting up so nice for sales here. Oh yeah, hey, y'all fucked up, bro. I told y'all to remind me to put my Discord and my Instagram in my description, bro. Y'all didn't even remind me, bro. L chat. You too late to do it right now? No, it's not too late. Alright, let me do it right now, actually. What am I looking for? On my Discord. Invite people. Edit link. Never. No limit uses. Tearing the link. Copy. Free Discord. Peace. Would y'all believe I got no paid services though? I do everything for free. Y'all believe that? go. Oh wait, I just noticed my chart wasn't up there no more. I just closed the wrong tab. Oh fuck. That's why my chart wasn't up there no more. I just noticed my light wasn't on too. I'm cooked. It wasn't gonna tell me the light wasn't on. Let me see your background. Yeah, I didn't even know that. I fixed it and my chart should be up now. Let's check the description. Alright, this is right here in horizontal. Let's see the link work. Okay, that link works. Bet. Both of those links work. Both of those links work. Bet. Y'all got anything y'all want me to go over? Or y'all be just gonna sit here and chat it up? Damn, bro, I'm looking salty about this, bro. Come back though. Come back up though. Come back up though. If you come back up, check out this high, create a higher low, re-break that high. I'm in on themselves to break it a new higher low. This looks so clean how we got a nice aggressive push up, taking out this high over here. Definitely even more confirms this higher low. So even making this sell idea down here even better. And UJ did what I said about come taking out this high, confirm this will be a higher low. We have some potential sells in this area. Let's actually put an alert here. Gonna put an alert here. Well, I'm not gonna sell off of this one. I might as well, just because this one is so close to this one, I might as well just wait for this breakout for this one to be a little bit more secure. Add alert on price. Boom, simple. Nice breaking out and explaining the trades. Thanks, bro. Normally I like to take partials at TP. Well, to start the week, when I like a Monday or Tuesday, I'm out full at TP1 just to get myself up 1 to 2% on the week. Then after that, I'm holding longer trades once I have that 2% buffer. So after I got that 2% buffer, I take partials at TP1 or stops to break even depending on how long I'm in the trade. If it happens TP1 really fast, stops to break even. If it takes a long time, close partials at TP1, then hold into TP2, TP3, or my final target. But you always want to take partials at areas where it's not take partials. I always want to manage a trade at areas of potential rejections, or in my case, areas of support or resistance that goes opposite to your trade idea. So if I'm in sales, I'm managing my trade at support levels because I know you're supposed to buy at support. If I'm in buys, I'm managing my trade at resistance levels because I know people are looking to sell at resistance, right? But that's how I go over taking partials and management while I'm in a trade. if I sell here though, think about selling gold because it's not. Remember how I like to wait till a 5-minute break and retest for 5-minute structure to form, then take the sell. If I just sell off of this breakout, this will be a 1-minute market structure shift. I mean, not 1 minute, 1 hour market structure shift. So because it's a 1 hour market structure shift, I'm gonna have to have my stop loss above a 1 hour level, which would be this level over here. So my stop loss will have to be up here. Then technically this is still a 1-to-1 at the next level of resistance, but we have to target. We have these lows down here to target to take out this liquidity, and this liquidity. What do I like more though? Do I like GU more or gold more? I feel like they both tied for like my number one pair. I don't know which one I don't know which one I want to take, to be honest. Let's look at a 5-minute on this GU. See this retest here. This is a retest, but like, there's not. I want to see bullish structure inside the retest. There's no bullish structure, just a retest with it's still in bear structure. This is the lower low, lower high, lower low. We never went bullish. I need to go bullish first. Until we go bullish, no sell. If we don't and we just end up bleeding off till we get to this level, it's fine with that. I would just wait to the new. I'll just wait for a break retest in this area instead. Like, fuck it. But I'm not going to like force a sell here just for it to then go bullish, stopping me out on my sell, and then giving me the trade idea that I normally would take. This is not something I would normally take without bullish structure first. But it gave it to us on a 1 minute time frame, but like I missed it here. So if this was the sell that I wanted to take and missed it, I don't want to FOMO in this because it already started to play out and then it came back. That's the kind of shit that is going off in my head right now. Wait, where did GJ go? I had GJ up here. Oh no, I put GJ at the bottom, right? Yeah, I did. Wait, why did I put GJ at the bottom again? I forgot. Oh, because it had no top wick here. That's why. Yeah, stay down there, GJ. Stay your ass down there, my man. My boy. So now with AU, if AU comes up and breaks this high, breaking out of this channel, confirm this to be a higher low, I'll look to take the sell here instead. So from here to here. But right now, if we don't break this high, I can't take it until we get down here. Hey KB, you still holding these GU cells? think this might be a New York session kind of day. London session looking ass. Okay, looking trash right here. Yes, mate. Took some partials, 10 pips, letting the rest run. Okay, bet. Dubs in the chat for KB, man. Wait, I think somebody in the Discord was in something else. What was it? Cream. He was in GJ sales. He had sales at 196, 836. 196. Where'd she go? 196, 836, yeah. This was an entry. Oh yeah, Cream up. He cooking. What's his stop loss on this trade? Above these highs up here. Like here, right here. Can't see it. 197 point something 48. 48, 46, 48. This was his stop. Oh yeah, he's cooking. And his target was the lows at 195, 739. We ain't get to his full target yet. 739. Alright, we ain't get to his. Oh yes, we did. Oh my god, he's cooking. Shout out to Cream in the Discord, bro. He cooked on this right here. So what am I thinking here? Do we get a fib play here? Do we get a rejection off of this fib? A little bit higher than the fib is the previous low. Extended left, it was respected here as well. Hit rejection, rejections. This is a nice mid level. Do we ignore this one and go with a break and retest off of this one? This will be a deep pullback. Kind of nice. Let's look at the 5 minute hash structure. Kind of nice. Hold on. We have a high, low, high, low again. All right, high. Tapping into the level. I might be on to something. Hold on. Stop loss above the high. Target a low. 1 to 2.2. I'm kind of on to something. Hold on. I like this a lot better than the last level I had. The last level I had was this level. I like this level better. We'll actually delete this alert. Yeah, I like this level better. Delete the alert, bitch. Fuck, won't let me delete. There we go. And the question is, do we draw the fib from this push to this low? Or do we draw it from this push? This push looks a lot better because this was a push off of this structure shift. That is break on this low, retest of this low, the continuation. So yeah, we're gonna do it off of this push. And this is slightly above the fib. Slightly above the 618. Yeah, we're gonna leave it here. I like this level better. I think UJ just moved up the rankings. I think this UJ might be my number 1 now. I already missed GU. I feel like put that bitch at the bottom. Make this my number 3. Gold. Not taking too long to come down below this level. UJ might be it. Bro, how do you know your zones? How do you know your zones on your chart? So I have a lot of zones. Well, I don't have a lot of zones. There are a lot of zones, but I just pick and choose which ones I want to focus on. So I literally just went over this one yesterday live, but we could do it again. Let's pick a different period I didn't do yet. Let's pick a different chart. I did all my periods, so we're gonna go through a different chart. So XAU. Oh, we're gonna go capital one. Never did this. All right. So let's do a recap. Support. I trade support and resistance. Support and resistance basically just is areas that price came to and turned around. So let's get my tool here. If price does this is a pivot point. But support and resistance is pivot points in price. So if price came over here and had a pivot and started to sell off, this is a resistance. If price comes down here and starts to push back up, this is technically a support. So on and so forth. If price is doing this, then this is the resistance. I actually gotta make I just said this earlier. I gotta make a Instagram reel about this. This is the resistance. This is the support, right? Now, but you see pivot points in the market all over the chart, right? You see a lot of them. It creates support and resistance, major levels and minor levels. So it's two different kind of levels. Major levels are the stronger levels. Minor levels are the levels in between the two majors, right? So let's look at this, for example. Technically, this is a resistance. Why this is a resistance? Because this is an area of price that price had a rejection off of, or a pivot point. Price came all the way up here and then started to sell off. Go up here again, started to sell off. So technically, this is a support. Price came down here and started to buy up. Price came down here and started to buy up. So technically, this is a support. But you see these all over the chart. You see these. You see some here. You see some here. You see one right here based off of this level. You see here. You see them here. You see one here. You see one here. Right there, they're literally everywhere. But you don't want to. The more you have, you start to trick yourself in your mind, because you're like, well, which one do I actually trade off of? Which one do I actually look for the reaction off of? Now, I mainly focus on the ones that are higher time frames lows. So it's how I find clear my chart. How I find mine. Say I'm looking at the structure. First of all, I go to the structure first. When I go to the structure first, say let's use the circle tool. Say I'm looking at this low, this low, this low, and this low. Because they're lows, lows will be considered support, right? So if lows are considered support, these are all areas that price came to before changing direction. So price came down here and then we went bullish. Price came down here, it went bullish. Came down here, went bullish. Came down here, went bullish. So these are all technically areas of support. So let's say when I draw my boxes, I do from the highest body to the lowest wick. So technically, if this is the highest body of this candlestick and the lowest wick is this candlestick, that's how I do my overall level. Because when you learn trading or you learn candlestick formation, you learn that closures are confirmations, wicks are rejections, and support is just areas that price rejected before going the other way. So price came down here, created these wicks, because wicks are rejections, meaning we rejected this area and then went the other way. So just the bottom of the wick is not the rejection. The whole wick is what's being rejected, right? So I go from body to wick, highest body to lowest wick for support, right? So now I'm thinking, well, is this the area? How do I know how strong the level is? How do I know if it's a major or minor, right? That's probably what you wonder. You take this box, go to style, extend it left, and then you look left to see if this area was rejected previously in price. So I'm looking left. Okay, we got a level of resistance here. Price rejected this area here. We rejected it here for support. We rejected it here for resistance. Big reaction here. The bigger the reaction off of the level, the stronger the level is. And the more reactions you get, the stronger the level is in both directions. That lets me know this is a strong level. Then I'll do the same thing here. Looking at this reaction here, highest body to lowest wick would be this wick here. Look left to see how price reacted in this level. Big reaction here. Big reaction here. Came close, didn't quite get there. Big reaction here. A fake out here and a break and retest here, right? So that's how you avoid having this one on your chart, and then having this one on your chart, then having this one on your chart. Then it looks cluttered. To eliminate the white noise, I only use the ones that are relatively close to price, that had nice clean rejections off of, or nice clean reactions. Well, this is a volatile one as well, because this is pretty recent in price. Price broke above it, didn't quite come back down to retest it, but as you can see, rejections here, and a fake out here. This will be like a minor level. Remember I told you two kinds of levels, major levels and minor levels? This will be considered a minor level, because this is a mid level in between the two major levels. This is my major level, this is my major level. This is the mid level in between the two majors. So then same thing. If I'm looking at this level, this puts body, highest body to lowest wick, look left. Where we rejected here, this technically is a rejection because this will be a higher time frame wick. Wicks. These are big rejections, right? And we have nice reactions off of it. Price came down here, big reaction to the upside. Price broke below, came down and gave us a retest. This retest failed. We had another break and retest in the opposite direction. Break above, retest here. This retest held, big reaction, right? But you also have one here. So, and if I'm looking to trade off of this support, I don't want to sell here just to sell into this rejection. That makes no sense. So if I have another low or another support level right below a support level that's relatively close, I just ignore the one in between and focus on the lower one, because this would be a one I will trade off of. I won't trade off of this one because I don't want to sell right into a new support, right? Because if price is at support, you want to be looking for buys. When the support turns into resistance, then you want to be looking for sales, and vice versa. When price is at resistance, you want to be looking for sales. When price breaks above resistance, that resistance now becomes support, and now you're looking for buys, right? So I would ignore this one because we have one internal one sitting right below it, and just focus on this one. Now, same thing. From body, highest body to lowest wick, which will be this whole zone here. Look left to see if this was respected and rejected. As you can see, had a fake out here. Price went bullish. Price came down here, sold off. A wick here, aggressive push up. Then this will be a level I have marked up. So that's how I basically found my levels. Now, I don't have too many on my screen, and I have most recent ones, and the ones that have big reactions off of. Now, there are mid levels in between these mid levels. I mean, in between the overall levels, like we have a mid level here. This would be considered a mid level, which we're doing highest body, lowest wick, extend the left. Then we have fake out here and rejections here. This would be considered a mid level. And mid levels are where I use mid levels to take partials or manage my trade. So if I know price is coming to mid level and let me know that price has potential to reject in this area, this is where I'm like, okay, we're gonna go break even here, because if it reverses, I don't want to be in this trade anymore because we're rejecting a mid level. So mid level is where I use to not necessarily take trades, but I like to use them to manage the trades that I'm already in. Hopefully that made sense. Trading with confidence. So in this case, for gold, I had not gold, for UJ, I had this level down here, right? This level was respected here, but now I see price pulling back up into a new level. I'm not trading off of this level because this level, I would have to wait for a new break and retest down here. But price doesn't look like it's coming down; it's going up. So now I'm looking at where is price heading to. If price is going up, where's the resistance price is heading to? Then I spotted this level here. I extended to the left to see this level was previously rejected. You have rejections here, and here. So right, because I'm looking at seeing those rejections, let me know that okay, price is heading this direction. Here is the area where I could trade. Not only do we have rejections over there, this is my most recent low, previous low, lower high, lower low. This is my most recent. Price is coming back up to retest the area to potentially continue down. So I want to trade off of this level and not this one, because this one already got invalidated with this push down. Hopefully, did I explain that well? NQ analysis. I don't really trade NQ, but I could do an NQ analysis. Here's NQ right here. So let's pick a direction first. So we're looking like we are bullish. Let's check EMA. bullish, right? Bullish, we have higher highs and higher lows. Very, very, very simple. But price is looking like we're about to have a structure shift to go bearish. Technically, we're still bullish. Bullish above, we're gonna go this higher low depth right here. Bullish above this level. Price created this high, broke up. Price looks like it's coming down to retest it. Technically, we're still bullish though. Look on the 4-hour time frame. Looking on the 4-hour time frame, I want to see the 4-hour structure. So we're creating clear higher highs and higher lows here. Boom, boom, boom. This is my most recent higher low. This higher low did get taken out here where we transition to bearish structure. I mean, sellers are in control. Once I know the sellers are in control, I want to look at the structure that's forming in this bearish push that sellers took over. So we have this low here, this lower high here, this low here. This lower high eventually got taken out, meaning buyers are regaining status or market control. Right now we have higher high, higher low, higher high. Again, sellers regain control, breaking them up below this level. So now we look at the bear structure that happened in that was involved with price taking out this low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is my most recent lower high. We're gonna mark this off as 4-hour sells below, and look at the 1-hour time frame. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, this 4-hour level lines up with a 1-hour level as well, with these lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, same exact levels. Right, so we're gonna label this 4-hour text / 1 hour. This is a 4-hour and a 1-hour level, and boom. So we know the 4-hour, 1 hour is bearish, the daily is bullish. So I don't want to buy even though the daily is bullish, because I have more time frames to me to sell than to buy. So ideally I want to be going in the direction of the time frames that I have more in sync with my overall direction. Right, not only do I notice that, I notice we have a left shoulder hit, right shoulder break, retest, continuation. Right, so that is a reversal chart pattern. I'm looking for sales. This is my most recent low. Let's do draw a zone, body to wick, look left to see how this area was rejected. Rejected here, here, rejected here, rejected here. So do I like this level? Yes. Just simply adjust this line to fit inside the level and drag it more right to get current price. Right, above this level we have this structure point here. Top highest wick to lowest body, extend the left. How was this level rejected? Not the cleanest, actually not the cleanest. There could be better, or I could just, to make it a little bit more cleaner, I can go with this one here, body to wick, extend it right, and say price came close. See, this one is a lot cleaner than this one, than that one, because now we have rejections, fake out. I like this one a lot better, so we could use this level instead of this one. But we know we want to be looking for sales overall. So if I do want to take buys, in order for me to take buys, the 4-hour and the 1 hour have to shift into bullish structure and confluence with the overall daily being bullish, and that happens above this area. So this would be a potential area to buy for a break and retest. And for the sell side, price created this low, created this lower high, price rebroke this low. So in order for me to take a sell, I need a rebreak of previous lows, highest wick to lowest body. Highest body to lowest wick, which would be this wick right here. I need to price to rebreak this low, then come back to retest. So while price is in between this range, I do nothing. I just wait for one of these two things to happen: 4-hour to go bullish, or a rebreak of previous lows to continue down. And that is very simple. Hopefully that makes sense. Overall bearish structure or bearish sentiment, with being in a down trending market. So let's check the 5-minute on UJ. Perfect. This is setting up so nice. Textbook setup. We had a shift in direction here, creating this high, higher low, higher high. Price gave me a pullback close to price, give me a higher low. If we continue up, create this higher high, boom, I'm in sales below this level. If price doesn't come below this level, creates another higher low, then re-breaks highs, guess what? I'm in sales below this level. If we don't, we have a higher low and create highs, I'm in sales below this level. Just waiting for the shift in structure. But if any given point my new higher low is above price or above this level, this will be a fake out and I will avoid taking this structure shift. You funded? Yes, I am funded. I have 2 funded accounts and I trade live capital as well. I look at gold. Did gold flip bearish yet? Because that candle did open up no bottom wick. Or was it? Yeah, no, still didn't flip bearish yet. Gotta be FX. Do it gotta be Forex? What do you mean? Is that what you asking me? Or you asking me what firm am I funded with? FX firm? Nah, I'm funded with Top 1 Trader and Clarity Traders. Both of those. FX firm yet. I don't trade futures because I have no reason to trade futures. Other than I trade gold, but I trade FX gold. But the reason why I don't trade futures is because I don't have a reason to trade futures. Better spread and no slip though. Well, that's true, but it's a whole different market, and I'm comfortable with paying a spread. I don't get slipped that much. I got slipped yesterday. Not yesterday, Friday. Damn, now I think about it. I did get slipped on the entry, but it's cool. It's a part of the game. What I'm gonna say, $5 a spread. Like, not that big of a deal to me. Yeah, futures is more like the more secure because there's a lot of fuck shit going on in Forex markets or Forex brokers and shit like that. But I haven't had no trouble, so I never got a reason to switch. Gold might be chalk, bro. This shit bullshit. Also, some heavy crazy commission. Nah, yeah, but I charge it to charge. That's cost of doing business. Charge it to the game. That's just how I look at it, though. I think I'm gonna stay in here till about 5:30. You want to see if this UJ actually give me this free test that I want? Any personal account with FX is better. I don't know, man. I just never. Now I'll be watching NQ just to like see what's going on with NQ because eventually I'm going to diversify. But for the time being, never got a reason to switch. But I do be watching NQ sometimes just to see what's going on in there. Wait, let's see what GU doing. Curious. Oh my god. Fuck this pair, bro. Fuck this pair, bro. It almost gave me that shit that I needed. Fuck this pair, bro. This was the play. This literally was the play. Damn, fuck this pair, bro. Five pips away from TP. Hell yeah. I think he be cooking. What you 2 for 2? Wait, 3 for 3? In the past couple days, I think you took GJ GU sells Friday. I think you took a GU, or Thursday. I think you took a GJ position after that, and now this GU position. I think you might be on a 3-win streak right now. KB cooking. Three for three, mate. Yeah, you cooking. I'm finna link my account to your shit for copy trader, bro. Cause your ass over there cooking up, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. Patience and not chasing the trades. Nah, for real. That's definitely very important. Like, I ain't chased that GU trade even though I seen that shit, bro. Little bitch ass pair. Fuck this pair, bro. I'm just playing. GU my shit, bro. This my bitch right here. Gold really my bitch, but this is like my secondary bitch. GJ be off and on, bro. But nah, sometimes you miss trades, bro. This is one of the times when I missed the setup. Even though I seen it coming, I predicted this break and retest. I just wasn't there to execute, and I missed it. It's cool. Learning to take a trade and then being able to walk away is key. Not for real. And knowing when to avoid trading as well. Knowing when to avoid. Knowing when you're experiencing symptoms of FOMO, when you're experiencing symptoms of greed, to just walk away. That's why I said, let me get this shit out my face. Because when GU was right here, and I said, bro, I'm supposed to take this, I forgot and all that shit. I said, man, let me look at something else because this shit pissing me off. Like that was my example of walking away. Feel me? That 1 minute setup was my setup, bro. That was my setup to a T. I just didn't catch it, bro. It happens. There's gonna be more opportunities to trade, so I ain't tripping. It's a lot of money in these markets, bro. It's a lot of money. It's enough money for all of us to eat off this bitch. You know what I'm saying? But I like to be selective. My trades, whenever I'm feeling like, oh, I missed it. It's probably a good time not to fucking trade that shit because you're already beating yourself up in the head about missing it. So taking it would just be stabbing yourself in the hand, bro. Even though it would have played out if I took it, but if it didn't play out and I lost it when I took it, when I knew I shouldn't have took it, that would have put more of a mental strain on me than actually just staying out of it in the fucking first place. At the end of the day, you want to protect your psychology because once you lose your confidence, bro, it's hard to get that shit back. Trust. It's been a couple times, years, like a year or so ago, maybe no, not a year, maybe like a year and a half, a little more than a year ago, where I was contemplating like if trading was for me. Everybody been, I know a lot of people that have been there before. You feel me? But that only happens when you go on. Like, I could be on a winning streak, and next you know, I come across this random ass 4 losing streak. Then I'm like, bro, is trading for me? Do I really know how to trade, or was my winning streak by mistake? Type shit. I mean, everybody been there before. So it's important to protect your psychology, and it make more sense to avoid taking that FOMO in that GU and avoid taking an unnecessary loss than to get in it and potentially win, because my psychology would have been cooked. And I'm not letting missing that last trade get me to force to trade on something else. I definitely called them GU sales, but I was explaining something else to the chat. Then by the time I got back, looked back at the chart, that shit was gone. It's cool though. I ain't tripping. Whenever I feel like FOMO or greed is cooking up in me and shit, I just think to myself, if I do FOMO into this trade and it loses, how mad would I be? I'll be pissed off because I knew I shouldn't have been taking it in the fucking first place because the opportunity that it gave me, I missed it, so I'm getting in late. That would piss me off. So taking a loss, knowing that I shouldn't even have been in it, would piss me off. Then I think about, well, what if I do FOMO in it and I still win? I ain't gonna be too excited because I'm used to winning. Like, I got almost a 73 win rate from last month, right? So I would be fucking. I wouldn't even care about the win because I'm used to winning, bro. I win majority of my fucking trades in the fucking first place. You know what I'm saying? So it'd be a more strain on my psychology losing than it would be to win. Then just avoid it in the fucking first place because the risk to reward on your psychology, that's a risk to reward. The reward will be winning the trade. The risk will be going on a rant about taking an unnecessary loss. Now you got a bunch of unnecessary losses coming in and shit like that. How many trades you took last month? Shit, I don't know. I'm gonna look right now though. Okay, traders. I'm log into my account. I'm gonna tell you right now, my man. Details. Where the fuck is that shit at? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Took 22 trades last month in December. Out of 22 trades, I won 72.73% of them, whatever that fucking number is. And I lost 27% of them. With a 3.17 profit factor. Let me use my snipping tool real quick. New snip. Alright, here we go right here. Hopefully, I think y'all can see that. There we go. Win rate, profit factor from December. And TP hit. Shout out to KB, man. W's in the chat. That shit beautiful. That was beautiful, bro. Easy 1 to 3. Well, actually, you got it higher than that. You got it up here, right? You got it a little bit higher. I think you said you got it at 41. Yeah, 41. You got it up here. Easy 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Light work. Walk in the park. 31. Yeah. So you got it a little bit higher. So you definitely got a better entry than what I would have had, but look at go flip that. Okay, we finally flip bearish. About time. Took a whole hour. This whole 1 hour candle was just straight bullish. It's crazy. I didn't even check to see if we had news or not. Let's see. 8:30 unemployment claims. Nah, yeah, this move was clean as fuck, bro. Damn, waiting for confirmation to buy gold on M5. Well, what's your confirmation? My brother just got out. My brother just texted me early, like 10-15 minutes ago. He was in gold buys. He almost got stopped out. He showed me his position. His stop loss was literally my entry. I didn't enter though because it didn't get triggered. I had a sell stop. Why are you trying to leave? Stop trying to leave the page, bitch. I had a sell stop like literally right here. It came close to the sell stop, didn't get me in, and then went back bullish. And his sell stop, his stop loss was literally my sell stop. But he ended up hitting that trade for 1 to 2. Got out. He was like, bro, I almost lost that bitch. I looked at that shit. I said, bro, your sell stop my entry. But I never got in the trade. And he won that bitch. So, W's. Bullish candle close on M5. Look at M5. Look at M5. Bullish candle close where though? Do you want to just be a bullish close or a bullish close above the wicks? Because technically, had a bullish close here, bullish close here, and bullish close here. No, I do Hakanashi charts. Oh shit. Where's shit at, bro? Oh, volume footprint. How can I do? Okay. Yo, Hakanashi charts low key look better than Japanese candlesticks. I just don't understand what this shit is though. I don't understand the whole wicks and like I see the opens and closes just throwing me the fuck off. But overall it looks better because you just see strictly red candles. For sellers are in control what it looks like. Green candles buyers starting to take over. That's what it looked like to me. Open on M5. Oh, so yeah, all these shits is look bearish. Okay, I see what you mean now. Gold's starting to move now though. Let's look at this 4 hour. 4 hour just opened. Next bullish, that's not a doji. Next bullish, not doji, I mean. Okay, bet. I'm assuming you more on the scalper side of trading. Kinda, yeah. Okay, I got you. I'm more of on the intraday / day trading. Like, I hold my trade from between 1 and 4 hours. So I try to stick to the higher time frame direction. And the 4 hours technically still bearish, and the daily is still bearish. So I'm only looking for selling opportunities. I'm not really looking for buying opportunities. I'm looking for areas to sell. That will be at the bottom of this range if we can close below. If it give me this gold sell though, and I take this sell, I'm closing before news. Like 100%, I'm closing before news. I don't trade news whatsoever. I don't give a fuck about market at TP3. I'm closing that bitch before news. Talking about slippage, news will cook your shit. I'll stay here for about 30 more minutes though. See what's going on. The next 30 minutes, if we re-break this out, I'm gonna set a sell stop here and I'm gonna go to sleep. If my sell stop get hit, it gets hit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I ain't finna sit here all damn night, bro. I'm gonna set an alarm on my phone to wake up 5 minutes before news to close any position that I am in. I do that shit all the time. If I go to sleep in a trade and I know news coming up, I gotta wake up 5 minutes before news so I can get up, close that bitch real quick, go back to sleep. Today don't feel like a Thursday. I ain't gonna cap. It's Thursday, ain't it? Let me make sure I ain't tripping. Yeah, it don't feel like a Thursday, bro. I feel like we really skipped January 1st, bro. I feel like January 1st didn't even happen. Like, that shit when the first went by so fast. Like, how we already in the second? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? The whole year was like that. Nah, no cap. 2024 definitely was a fucking breeze. Let me add alert here. Set sell. So if we take out this high here, I'm gonna set my sell stop here. That's gonna be my trade of the day. I'm gonna set my sell stop a little bit lower so I don't get triggered into it early like I did last time. Last time on GU, I got triggered in early as fuck. Took an unnecessary fucking loss on that shit because I got fucking triggered early. Then I caught the move again. That fucking hit for 1 to 2. But I really ended the day only up 1% because of the first trade that fucking triggered me in too early, bro. I ain't doing that mistake again though. Put my sell stop just a little bit lower. So we're gonna use a even. We're gonna do 156, 750, not 740. There we go. 30 pip stop loss. And let's look at 90 pips for 1 to 3. It's a little bit below the range. Yeah. Okay, we can go 75. 75 to come to this range here. Spread should be better now. Yeah, I got cooked on that spread, bro. And we can set our sell stop here. Copy. What's this, UJ? Pending. Peace. Sell stop. Pips 30 for stop loss. TP 75. It's about 1% here. And sell stop is active. Not yet activated, but it is active. Well, I gotta set it on my account as well. This entry 156, 740, 740 stop, 30 pips, TP 75. Oh wait, I'm fucking fried. I almost fucked that lot size all the way up. Oh god. Alright, the reason for this sell stop is price had this shift. Wait, let's go back a little bit. You should chart 4-hour time frame. Looking on the 4-hour time frame, we're overall bullish, right? But we broke out of this range. Price came back down, pushed back up, gave us a break and retest at this level. It's technically still bullish though. Looking on daily time frame, we overall bullish as well. Bullish about this area. Look on the 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame. is bearish, so this is counter trend to the 4-hour and the daily being both bullish. But this 1-hour candle open up with no bottom wick, coming up, tapping into this level of support or resistance in this case, will potentially to flip bearish and then come back down to fill in the rest of this range in this bearish structure. Because this is counter trend to the 4-hour and the daily, this is a scaled down risk. Not risking the full 1%, I'm risking 0.5%, just for the simple fact that we are bullish on the 4-hour and the daily still, but the 1-hour is definitely indeed bearish. We have a 1-hour shifting structure here. Price took out this higher low. Now we create a lower low, lower high, lower low. Let's get down to the 5-minute time frame. Look on the 5-minute time frame. We had this shift in direction here, going bullish. On the 5-minute time frame, price broke above this lower high. Then we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price just made a new high, which confirms this higher low. This is my most recent higher low, so I will look to sell as this 5-minute shift into bearish structure and confirms the 1-hour being bearish. Simple. Simple. But it is technically still counter trend to the 4-hour and the daily. But guess what? We have a 4-hour candle that is opening up bullish as well, tapping into this level with little to no bottom wick. So if this 4-hour candle does flip bearish after creating a top wick, we can fill this previous 4-hour wick. Easy fill this 4-hour wick for this bearish 4-hour candle. And then my final TP, which would be 75 pips, will be filling this previous daily wick. So got some wick fills going on over here. Before I go to sleep, I want to make sure we tap this level first. Because if we don't tap this level and start to come down and execute me, I want to delete the sell stop. We have to tap this level first. That's what I think. Then I'm going to go to sleep. This AKB. This is an example when I said sometimes I do take counter trend trades to the high time frames, but whenever I do take counter trend trades, it will be pro trend to the lower time frames with scaled down risk. So this is technically still counter trend, but scaled down risk because I know it's more of a risky setup. It's first trade of the year, counter trend. Good job. Nah. Fuck it. Fuck it. Current 1 hour candle has no bottom wick. Yep. So if it flips bearish, we are good to go. This current 1 hour is the same as this current 4 hour open. They both open at the same time, so both of them have no bottom wick. Is GU still running? Oh, GU giving a pullback right now. Gold. Hey, Abdul, did you execute on gold? I don't know if it gave you a bullish close or not. Look at this shit though, bro. This is why we wait for closures. This is why we stick to the plan, bro. That's why I didn't FOMO sell up here. Still did come down to this frame, bro. Cause that shit looking bullish as fuck right now. We got our first 15-minute close. Got 15 minutes left. before I decide to call it a night. Damn, I gotta make that fucking Instagram real, bro. I really don't feel like that shit. I'm just trying to lay down and chill. Play some chess. Lay down and chill, bro. Loki got headache though, no good. And we almost halfway to 800 subs, bro. I'm trying to hit like 10K subs this year. That's low-key a little bit, but I'm trying to hit 10K subs, bro. So I just gotta stay consistent. I might not stay live streaming consistently though, because sometimes, bro, I almost ain't get on live today, to be honest. I was low-key in my head like, fuck it. But I'm definitely gonna stay consistent with videos. I'm gonna keep posting videos throughout the year. Alright, can we just tap this level so I can get off this bitch? Just tap this up one time for a nigga, bro. Boom. Didn't quite get it yet. The reason why I just adjusted it just now, because I wanted to actually tap this wick here. I had it a little bit too low. So I adjusted to make sure that this wick is getting tapped into here. You deserve to make a lot of experience with your share. Not for real, bro. I want to be that person in the YouTube community that I didn't have when I was coming up, bro. That was full, transparent, and did everything for free. Not everything, majority for free. But I ain't gatekeeping shit, bro. Everything I know, man, I just ask questions. And if I know the answer, bro, you got it. Are we tapped into this level? I want to see how far we push up, though. The reason why I say I want to see how far we push up, though, because my stop loss has to be outside of the wick. So we push up and breaks this high before we even come down and take this low. I have to adjust this to that wick's high. So I might have to have a bigger stop. I need to see that. So I want to see if this candle, if this shit flip, I'm just gonna leave it and go to sleep. But if it don't flip, I'm saying, then I'm gonna actually, and it keeps up, I'm gonna actually have to adjust it. Then we have clean ranges to fill, and this liquidity already got swept, but never can take out this down here. The buyers that was holding from here, they never got took out, so I think we can come to take them out. Look at go still pushing up. Damn, that shit flying. Abdul cooking right now. Hold on. GU pulling back. DJ pulling back as well. Good thing I didn't FOMO this either. Just brick retest. Good thing I put this at the bottom. I probably would have executed on this. Let's look at 5 minutes. Okay, now one execute. We didn't have no structure here. We have structure in 1 minute though. Yeah, according to 1 minute, I would have sold this if I took a 1 minute play. Yes, I'll be getting stopped out right now. Stop loss would have been above this high, getting stopped out. But the reason why I avoided this trade is because one, this 4-hour candlestick over here, no top wick. So I knew this trade has potential. Price has potential to come back up here to make that top wick. So good thing I avoided that right here. That's nice. Just avoided a loss by getting off it and looking at something different. Tough. All right, we tapped into this area. Got a nice rejection so far. This candlestick open up bearish. It's only 5-minute level though. 15 look like it's about to flip. Not a 30 flip, but it looks like a 15-minute flip. With 10 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, so we're gonna see how this 15-minute play. Let's look at the 1 minute structure that pushed up here. This is a 5-minute entry, but I want to look at the 1 minute. So if I enter in a 1 minute, this will be like literally right now, damn near. So up here, top loss up here, boom. But because the 5 minute looks clean, I don't need to use the 1 minute. I can use the 5 minute here. Only time I use a 5 minute is if it closed here and then the retest is like really tight to where it closed at, then I use a 1 minute. But because this is this price pushed down a lot, I don't really want to use a 1 minute time frame. I'd rather stick to the 5 minute. But if it like a close here, then this retest, then I would have took that. Look at gold shift line. Now I just seen it. Literally just seen it. I was looking at sells in this area. If I do take gold buys though, I'm taking them up here. So good thing I didn't get triggered down here when I had to sell. I had a sell stop set down here. Price came close, didn't trigger me, and started to push back up. So I deleted the sell stop I had around here. But this shit pushing. I wonder if Abdul took the trade, bro. Abdul, where you at, bro? You still in the chat? Did you take these buys, bro? You said you looking at them. Did you get them hoes? Shit flying. GU should be pulling back right now too, I think. Yeah, GU should be pulling back. This low-key was a trade tonight, bro. I missed the sell off of this 1 minute retest, bro. This sell right here. This was the sell looking at, bro. But I was explaining something to the chat. Then I came back to the chart. That shit was already down here, bro. This was a trade tonight, though. I think. Easy 1 to 3. But now let's see what UJ got for a nigga, bro. Alright. This is the 15-minute flip, yeah. Yep. Nice top wick. Tap into the level, 15-minute flip. Entry will be based off of this 5-minute structure shift, going from bullish here to new bearish. So I like this 5-minute play here. I know it's not giving any low time frame entries. Okay, I got you. Let's see. Damn, that shit was just straight fucking rocky. Let's look at a 1 minute. Look at a 1 minute. Damn. Nah, yeah, this shit was rocky. I want to see what price reacted off of that caused this move though. Like, what was the reaction here? I don't know. It look like nothing right here to me. Literally nothing. That shit fucking flying though. I'm hungry as fuck. Should I order Uber Eats right now, or should I wait till I wake up? Or some breakfast. Yeah, so if gold keep flying, then you just should keep dropping, right? Yeah. Sound good to me. One thing I don't like is the 8:30 news. I gotta be out of there straight before 8:30. I'm waiting for the 30-minute candle to close though. That going to sleep. Right after this bitch close. I think this 30-minute, this 1 hour and this 4 hour all have no bottom wick. Yeah, so if this shit flip, it'll be the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 30-minute flip and bearish. After creating a top wick off the open, easy wick fill this previous 4 hour candle. Easy. But I need some new shows to watch, bro. What y'all be watching, bro? I need some shit to watch. What you into? Shit, I don't know. I watched Blacklisted. That show was good as fuck. I watched I like action, I like drama, a little bit of anime. I watched Blacklisted, that show was tough. I watched that show Bridgerton, my girl had me watching that shit. That shit was busting. Okay. That Bridgerton show, that shit was busting. Fucking what else I watched? Well, I didn't see the new season of Squid Games yet, so I gotta watch that. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna watch. I'll go sleep. Yo, it's just one fucking show. What that shit called? Industry or something like that. That shit about some Wall Street traders, but I think they in London or some shit like that. Wait, no, are they in London? No, I don't think they in London. But it's about some traders on a desk and shit like that. It's a drama. That should be having me cracking the fuck up. Watch Squid Game later. The show Industry. The bitch, the main character in the show. She fucked somebody order up. They called somebody for order, some shit like that. And then they told her how much size to put on a position, and she put more than what they said on purpose and shit. Fucking that nigga order up. Then she was holding that shit for like 2 days. Nigga was in hella fucking drawdown, like 50 bands. 50, 60 bands, he was in fucking drawdown. The bitch didn't tell him this shit. Then that fucking, they had news coming in. The nigga on the phone and shit. The bitch chewing gum. Shit was intense as fuck. He like, close my position. The bitch like, no, shut the fuck up. She talk about no. Let me do my job here, sir. Then like, get close with a $10,000 loss. I'm okay with a $10,000 loss. You shouldn't execute my position that like that in the first place. She's like, shut up, sir. Let me do my job. Then the bitch eating gum and shit. The cameraman zoomed in on her mouth and shit. She was locked in. The news went in profit. Bro was in profit like 20K or whatever. He like, close. The bitch like, no, it's gonna go higher. Then he like, close. The bitch like, no. The next thing you know, that news reversed. That shit dropped. He took like fuck 200K loss on that motherfucker, bro. She closed that shit and was like, fuck. Then the bitch sitting next to her that straight at the desk with her talking about something. The first move is always wrong. I said, hey, I felt that motherfucker, cause that shit used to be me when I used to trade news back in the day, bro. I'm gonna look up that scene. I think it's called Industry. Oh, here it go right here. Hopefully I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for playing this shit, bro. I'm lucky scared. That's already on YouTube though, so I should be able to play it. Hold on. The bitch was already in the trade when the news hit, but they had a fire drill or some shit like that. So they made them all go outside. That's why she outside and she freaking out right now. Oh wait, news didn't even hit yet. It's about to hit in the next 2 minutes, so she's trying to fiend hurry up and go see.
Glad I'm not running position into this.
Harpsichord, anything granular to watch?
Employment rate?
No shit.
Sorry, I'm looking at wage growth too. What?
I've just spoken to Aubrey at Allerton. Why did you lie to me?
Your middle office, you shouldn't be calling clients.
You made a mistake. So what the fuck do you think you're doing?
15 seconds to the print's gonna be soft, then we're clear.
What? No, Harper, you can't trade your way out of this. That is unacceptable. It's reckless.
This shit right here is so relatable, bro.
Harper!
Just wait. The announcement's coming in 5.
Okay, pull up the trade input loss sheet. I shouldn't be doing this.
It's already done.
Execute anywhere within 10 grand and you might get away with this.
This moves one-way traffic. Print is soft. I'm running it.
Bro, I don't even know if you can hear it or not.
Fuck around. Cover that risk now. Harper!
There's a reason I'm sat here. Bear with me.
She gonna mute the nigga, bro. Like, that's not his money she playing with right here. Up 35 racks.
Ivor's buying dollars. It's fucking Ivor, man. Stored now, too.
First move's always wrong.
Damn. Damn.
Fucking hell, Eric. Ivory's lighting us up.
She's like, it's gonna come back.
Harper, I am going to come over your hood and broadcast this if you do not execute at this level now.
It'll come back.
Damn.
Fucking punch it!
Fucking wait.
How does she still have a job after this, bro?
All good?
Absolutely, of course.
She a fucking liar. She cooked this shit. Yeah, she just finessed my man. She should have closed his shit like he said, bro. That's how I feel when I get slipped. Alright, look at this 5 minute here. So the question is, if we re-break this high, do I consider this one candle a retracement and trail my sell stop from here to here? Or do I just hold this sell stop here? That's the question. Cause look like about to re-break this high up here. Couple of bills after the gym and I watched that. Oh yeah, that shit bust a little bit. But that scene right there, definitely relatable, bro. That bitch was fiending. I'm some. It'll come back. It'll come back. Like, bitch, why ain't you was already in 50K drawdown? You already over leveraged the nigga account, and he didn't even want to enter that kind of size, bro. Then it put you up 20K profit. You could have just took the fucking 20K. Bitch tried to catch a home run and end up losing 140K, bro. That's crazy. FOMO at its finest. Who that bitch thought she was? She got his shit cooked. Then she talking about some, it'll come back. He was down 20K again. He said, if you close anywhere within 10K negative, I'm cool with that. She said, shut up, let me do my job. The shit drop more. Boom. Now she down 10K. Drop more. Boom. 20K. He like, close. She's like, it'll come back. It'll come back. Boom. 100K. Like, damn. That shit cooked her ass. You just see the pain and sorrow in her eyes after that shit, bro. She was like, fuck. She knows she finna get fired. I'm finna spoil that shit though, cause she didn't even get fired for that shit though. Man, I'm holding this entry, bro. If it re-break highs, fuck it. I'm holding this entry though, bro. I'm gonna sleep. My ass tired as fuck. Shout out to KB, man. He executed on them GU cells that ran to his final TP. Shout out to KB, bro. Right, bro. I'm off to the gym. All right, bet. Shout out to what's the other guy? Oh, Creams. What is his name? Let me go look at it again. Oh shit, it's the wrong channel. Cooked. Oh, Cream, yeah. Shout out to Cream for getting them GJ cells he had. Them cells was clean as fuck. My man had GJ cells from... Where's that? My man had GJ cells from this 1 hour shift up here. That was clean. But I'm gonna wrap it up here. I got a sell stop set on UJ. If the sell stop get hit, it gets hit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I will be out of my trade before news hits. If I do get triggered. Don't get triggered. Fuck it. I'm gonna delete it when I wake up, bro. So I'm wrapping up right here though. It's your boy Traderholic Chat, and I'm out. Peace. Fuck with y'all boys. I'm gonna go live again tomorrow, and I got a new Instagram reel coming in tomorrow as well that I gotta make and edit, bro. But I'm out this shit.